Today we're looking at 2023 Surveyor Legend 303 BHLE. One thing that's awesome about Surveyor, they've got the outside kitchen here. You got LED lights underneath your large awning. Love the white exterior, really reflects the sun and the heat. This layout is going to feature two separate entries, one into your half bath. This is a bath and a half model. 303 BHLE, it's a newer floor plan for 2023. As we come in, you've got your awesome sofa / theater seating area here. Large kitchen. Entertainment center and your TVs directly across from your seating, which is really nice. Awesome kitchen. I love the reflective Furrion refrigerator, backlighting on all your dials for your oven and your cooktop. Coming back directly across from the kitchen area, you've got a booth dinette. Awesome fixtures, residential fixtures up above. Here's your sofa / theater seating. Just plenty of room to hang out, watch television. Large bunk room, so you've got 4 bunks back here, and then you've also featured the sofa. I love the cool little bunk ladder they did there. Teddy bear mattresses, window on the back. Your sofa, and then above that's going to be another place for you that'll fold up. Your bunk bed will fold up there. Large storage as we come in the door there. Panning back up here, now we're coming through to our full bath. It's a walk room, ton of room in this bathroom, right? So you've got your large shower, 30 by 36. Toilet down below, and then plenty of counter space. Actually, quite a bit of counter space in your bathroom there. And then your master suite's going to feature a 60 by 80 queen bed. Large deep storage. They've got plenty of nightstands there. And then coming back again. So this I'll walk through full bath. They went with a vinyl material on their slide outs this year that match your linoleum. No more carpet to get ripped up and everything.